Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 379. Technical analysis for crypto and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description. You can also engage with me on Twitter. Links in the description there as well. Thank you all for being here, and thank you for joining me tonight. Sorry again about not being here yesterday. I had a massive headache. I still have a little bit of a headache still today, but I did want to come in and talk a little bit about crypto and see what's happening with the markets, right? And on that note, it's still going to shift on to the technicals. What is happening with crypto, right? Market cap. Oh, we had a massive move down yesterday, by the way, right? So, well, not massive, but a significant move down yesterday. Going down 1.73% of market cap, approximately $6.10 billion flowing out of the cryptosphere, just like that. Today, money coming back in, 0.20%, approximately $705 million. Now, that moving down did manage to hit the 50% retrace, right? We're still trying to hold on to this area. We already wicked it today and trying to head back to 618. Fib node sitting at $348.82 billion. Now, on that note, Bitcoin dominance. What is happening with Bitcoin dominance? Sitting at 60.20% of market cap. Yesterday, Bitcoin managed to gain a little bit of dominance, which is why we probably went down yesterday, right? We know that sometimes this is inversely correlated with the price of Bitcoin. So it did go up a little bit, 0.09%. Today, coming down a little bit, 0.04%. Again, sitting at 60.21% of market cap. Bitcoin dominance at $11,360. Sorry, not Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin futures, CME, at $11,360. That's where we closed today. So let's see what's going to happen, right? How we close the wick? Not yet. We did come close, right? Almost hitting this wick over here. So quite close to closing that wick, right? That gap that we had left before, and we talked about that, right? During the week, we were saying, look, we might move down. We might move down. We did get the movement down. What's happening with Bitcoin price? Sitting at $11,345.64. Managed to lose 11,453, right? We knew we could get that. We talked about going down, pumping, creating the divergence, and then really breaking down after that. Remember, that was one of the things we talked about 2 or 3 days ago. We did get that move up. On the 1 hour, right? That's what's moving us down. Again, we haven't moved down that much yet. We just lost 11,453. We do have 11,120 to look forward to. But on that note, on the daily, there's nothing bearish, right? Nothing bearish happening here. This is high, this is low. Positive is positive, high on the RSI to lower point, neutral at 58.86 on the RSI. Now let's check out this chart, right? I haven't looked at this chart in a while. I had fibs out for a while on this chart. We just haven't seen it very often. We did break from 11,483, which is where I have it here, which is kind of close to where I have my note here, right? 11,453. It just happens to be almost there with a fib node. And the movement down did hit another place. It did hit that 50% almost spot on, right? That is at 11,171. Here we did hit a low of 11,169. So $2 off that area, right? Not too bad. Anyways, hitting that 50%, rejecting the lower prices, and moving slightly higher. Andrew, how's it going, man? Steve, how's it going? Jake, how's it going? Sorry if I didn't say hi at the beginning, dude. Again, I'm still feeling a little bit off today. I just wanted to do the technicals real quick. Already got requests for XLM, Yuma. We'll toss in there also ADA. We'll also toss in there Link. I think those are going to be the things I'm going to run with. Again, I did want to come in today, but I'm still not feeling 100%, so thank you all for being here. And showing support for the stream, dude. You guys are amazing. Really, if you guys didn't come here on a daily basis, I don't think I would be doing this at all. Because it would just be me talking to myself all the time, and it would probably get very boring very quickly. Anyways, moving down. Nothing off with that. Again, we knew we were hitting resistance around this area. We created the hidden bearish divergence. We knew we could move down on that. We knew we probably hadn't finished playing off with that on the daily. Yeah, sure. Let's look at Elon Musk's kit. My call went from 5 cents to $2 and consolidating 160-ish. That's pretty cool, man. It's awesome. On the RSI at neutral, right? We already said that. So let's go to the 4 hour. Right on the 4 hour. Look, we're coming lower, right? Everything's good here. Everything's going lower, so nothing we can call here. We had the bullish here. Right, and this one, I think we called it out a couple days ago. Or I might have charted it for yesterday. I can't remember. I think it's one of the things that just placed there yesterday. I was waiting for the movement up. We did get it. At some point in time, we were actually going to create that bearish divergence. Right, we're coming in slightly higher here. Right, and we're starting to make this momentum island here that's negative. But almost nothing right there. It was a little bit in the green. And I was going to chart it there today. But by the time, yesterday, but by the time I did the charts, it had already pulled back down. So that's why I didn't get any lines going on here that were bearish. On the 4 hour, sitting neutral at 48.05. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Look at the 1 hour chart, right? We moved down. We were expecting that, create that strong bullish divergence, right? We were expecting here, we rejected, we moved farther down, right, as expected. When we rejected 20, we know that's the move we're going to get. We did create that strong bullish divergence, went on a rally, which is good, right? What happened on that rally? Well, went high, slightly higher here. And on that note, we're moving down. Now that moving down, it is what's breaking us down right now. That strong bearish divergence, right, that we created. And we called this one out yesterday, right? I didn't call it yesterday live, but I called it on the Discord. So I sent you guys the charts. And you already have the key because you have my the little chart I placed there, right? With what's bullish divergence, what's bearish divergence. These are the resources, right? So if you guys go to the resources, it's one of the first things that's posted there, the chart for divergences, and then on trading ideas. Here's Bitcoin, right? And as you can tell, I was calling the divergence here. We didn't have it up there, but I was charting it like that. When I looked at it first, we were up there and we were creating bearish divergence. And it's one of the things that I was watching out for, right? And that's the move down that we got. So again, it was there, right? So look, we ended up developing by the next candle, right? And then we just moved down there. Boom. Now here, let's go. Here we create some strong bullish divergence, but just against the RSI. Look at this, from low to slightly higher, right? We don't have it against the MACD. We do have it here. On that note, we're moving to the upside, hitting that 20, rejecting, hitting the 20 again, rejecting. Looks like we want to get above the 20, but we're failing to do that. Yo, FL, what's up, dog? Late night, as usual, you know the deal. Yeah, bro, how's it going, man? Thank you for being here. Hope your lawn's as green as ever, bro. What else is going on here? That's about it, right? Neutral at 47.50 on the RSI. 1 second, guys. Dude, my wife had to go to the supermarket, and my kids were supposed to be in bed. But I can hear them running around. Gotta crack down the law on them right now. I'll be right back in a second, guys. Yo, I'm back. Sorry about that, guys. They were like running around the house. I don't know what they're doing. They're kids. I guess they just wanted to play around. Anyways, I'm back. Thank you all for being here and sticking with me. To that small break, what do we have again? We created this bullish divergence and we rallied again, failing at 20. We'll see what goes on there. Jake posted something that he sent something on the Discord. Let's check it out, man. He had a video for code, I guess. 169 lines of code later. So I guess this small video is gonna play here. This is Jake's thing. If you guys are in the Discord, check it out there, man. It's a small video clip of him recreating something, which looks really cool, by the way. On that note, let's go look at Ethereum, dude. What is Ethereum doing? Had the bearish divergence move down. We're hitting right at support, right at 164.03. We're sitting at 167.45, so we've hit that area. We managed to go slightly higher. That's fine. We did move down today again. Hit that low of 263.62, slightly lower than we wanted to, but again, still holding on to this nice support. Again, hidden bearish, action to the downside as expected. That's all good. Let's go to the 4 hour because we're not doing much here. Just neutral at 51.10 on the RSI. Again, right, of the ideas that I sent on the Discord chat yesterday, for those of you that don't know, I didn't do a stream yesterday. I'm feeling too well, and I ended up just posting the charts of what I was seeing there on the Discord, which, when I don't have to explain a lot, it just goes much quicker, I guess. But the whole point of me doing this is that you guys can learn stuff, or at least learn to identify some stuff, and then you're going to be able to trade, or at least pick up on some of this stuff as you're setting up trades, and you might be thinking a little bit more on your ins and your outs, right? Again, we came down, hit that support spot on, beautiful. Coming lower, right, negative to more negative, and lower on the RSI to a lower point, so we kind of lost whatever kind of divergence we were going for. Even against this, right, we came lower, so that's why the last one I called was to here. We haven't done anything else. We just don't have any bullish divergence right now on the 4 hour, or bearish divergence on the 4 hour. Again, just down sloping trend right now since let's say October the 12th, right? Everything's just been moving down. On that note, we're sitting neutral at 41.22 on the other side. We did hit sold slightly, coming back up. That's okay. We keep getting a bounce maybe happening after hitting that support. Again, Bitcoin also hit a support right on the fib node, so we could be trying to reject lower prices in that bounce. But since we don't have anything bullish or bearish to call, it just makes it a little bit harder to determine whether or not we're going to move to the upside or downside right now. Like I said, there's a lot of indecision happening. Yesterday we got a little bit of clarity, right? That's why we knew the movement was going to be down. That's it, right? So look, again, strong bullish divergence, right? That's what we called yesterday. We managed to rally, right? So we came higher. That was great. Then from here to here, it didn't create anything either, right? So Ethereum didn't create any bearish divergence. It just moved down because Bitcoin had bearish divergence, and Bitcoin decided to move down, right? Look at that. That's Bitcoin moving us down. Now, is Ethereum creating that bullish divergence? It might be actually creating it. No, it's not actually. It's still going down. I was really hoping that we were going to get it, but now that I looked at the chart and saw that we bounced really high, came much lower, you can easily tell we no longer have it. So coming in lower, more negative momentum, lower on their side, right? Low, lower, low, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Here we're slightly, like I said, bouncing at this area, right? Rejecting, failing to drop could be interpreted as a bullish sign. Remember, if we fail to go lower than the previous low, we could be could be interpreted as being bullish. We have support here at 364.03. Getting that bounce, getting above the 20, which is good. The only thing I don't like here is just going to be very, very short term, though. But it seems like we are creating this hidden bearish divergence. But there's a chance that it might not play out, right? Because we're starting to build this positive momentum. We're starting to get above the 20. We could still try to rally a little bit more. And go from here to here, right? So on that note, that hidden bearish is there. Might try to put some pressure at this area, but like I said, we could expand to the upside still, right? Just wait and see. Right now, like I said, there's a lot of indecision. This if it goes above this area, we no longer have it. So it's not a huge move that it has to make. We're sitting at 367.63. And we need to get above 368.95. So we're talking about $1.30 move. Ethereum has done that before, so that's cool though, I guess. So let's check out XRP, man. What is happening with XRP? I don't want to laugh, but you know, XRP again heavily underperforming. Yesterday broke below 24.69 on the bearish divergence we had called here. Moving down, rejecting this area, right? Rejecting the 20, moving lower. XRP again freaking heavily underperforming the market. I'm getting tired of XRP, to be fair. It just doesn't do well, right? Look, it hasn't done much. It hasn't done much all year, man. It started the year performing extremely well, and then it just became like its usual self again, right? Swell happened, right? We know swell happened the last 2 days, 14th, 15th of October. It just dumped, right? Like, this was the pre-swell pump. Look at that, man. Whoa, pre-swell pump. Awesome, dude. It was a crappy pump compared to pumps that we had on previous years. Now, are we doing something low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on there? So the hard point here on their side, low, high. Oh, high, right? I'm not going to go from negative to something, so I'm going to let this go right now. We're not doing much with XRP again. Neutral at 42.47 on their side. Let's go to the 4 hour. Right, on the 4 hour, we're getting this movement here. We had this movement here also, right? That was what I was highlighting yesterday. Right, that bullish, hidden bullish. But it's really failing to play off here, right? It's failing to go higher. Like, we found a lot of resistance at this area, right? We were facing that indecision. Then we just broke down, right? We rejected 24.69. Yesterday would have been a good exit. You know, save a couple cents, fractions of a cent, right? Anyways, low, lower, negative, less negative, right? So we're starting to create some bullish divergence here on the 4 hour. Not all hope is lost, and that's fine. Right, much more than we could say for other projects that are like not even getting that, right? So anyways, coming in lower here, we don't have it against the RSI. Neutral at 31.21. There's a chance we might try to play off here and maybe stall, which is what we're saying. But I would have loved to have had this also on the RSI. It would have just been a stronger indicator of a potential reversal. We hit sold. We're still sitting sold at 31.21 on that RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Looking on the 1 hour, the only thing I called was bullish divergence, right? We did get to move up, right? We already had gotten to move up, which is okay, to be fair. So we did get to move up, rejected the 20, right? Hardcore rejected the 24.69. We finally got tired and broke down. Now on this breakdown that we're having, are we creating something? Not really, man. I would love to say we're creating some bullish momentum here, or some bullish divergence, sorry. But we don't. Look, we're coming in lower, right? More negative. Or on the RSI, even short term. Low, lower, right? Coming in more negative. Lower on the RSI. And from here, right? From here to here, everything's higher, right? We've not come lower to create that strong bullish divergence. So right now we're hitting the 20. It looks like we're failing to get above it. Tightness of the boundary band starting to come in. We could read an explosive move. I mean, if XRP goes to 22.69, I wouldn't be weirded out because this is a new area that we're in, right? The range of 24.69 to 22.605. There might be other areas here. These are from the daily, remember? So they're on the 1 hour. There could be some support here that we're hitting, right? And it seems like to be congruent with support here, as you can tell, right? So I'll just draw that one there. As you can tell, we've hit this area a couple times here, right here, here as well. Rejected here, and we're finding support here as well. So this could become a new support that we've faced here on XRP, and we'll leave it here just on the 1 hour chart, right? This will become our 1 hour support. So again, bouncing at this area, we could break down and move below that 23.887 that we just traced, and create that strong bullish divergence, right? That would look as this going lower, and then from here to maybe less negative momentum and higher point on the RSI, and then try to go bullish in that. Sitting neutral at neutral at 40.79 on the RSI. Let's go check out Litecoin. The Litecoin. What is the Litecoin doing, man? The Litecoin feels like it wants to do stuff. So let's go to the daily first. Again, we had the bearish divergence, right? We called it out a while back. Finally dropped, hit that 20, trying to find support there, right? We pull back up a little bit. Still sitting right at the 20 at $47.57. Neutral at 47.28 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we had this bullish. That was what I was calling out yesterday. That's the only thing we had, and you know, we managed to go up, hit that 20, and reject it. Right? That's we were rejecting the 20 consistently. Sorry if I didn't put a lot of explanations yesterday on the charts that I posted. Again, I was feeling super like with a massive headache. Just looking at the screen was like making it hurt more. So I just wanted to do the chart real quick and get off here, right? Anyways, look at that, right? So we've hit the 21, 2, 3, 4 times, 5 times, right? And then we finally reject it. So again, on rejection of the 20, we look for lower Ayers value coming in lower. So, you know, the only thing we have here that is sort of good. I mean, dude, I wish yeah, I can call it against the RSI. I'm going to call it against the RSI because I wanted to call it against the MACD as well. But I do have this small island here that I'm using for something, so I don't want to skip over it and say, oh, look, man, more negative, right? But against the RSI, we have it, right? We do have this hidden bullish. That's why we're stalling at this area, trying to recover a little bit. Might try to get another go at the 20, you know, undo some of that massive drop we just took. It was a 5% drop, right, on at 11 p.m. yesterday. So, you know, sitting sold at 38.59 on the RSI. On that note, let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, what is happening there, man? Right, we had the same thing, right? The bullish divergence, tried to rally, failed to go higher, right? Rejecting the 20 consistently, finally broke down, coming in lower. Here it looks a little bit more like Bitcoin, right? It has created a strong bullish divergence, at least here on the 1-hour chart. Everything's working out fine today. That's awesome, dude. Like that, right? Strong bullish divergence, action on the upside, rejected 20 slightly, moved slightly low, and then really burst through. Right now, trying to hold on to that 20. Kind of saw the Bollinger Band starting to come back in. Contracted the Bollinger Bands quickly. Right? Had a low, right? The only thing we have also right now is that we are starting to create this hidden bearish divergence against the MACD. Not against the RSI. Against the RSI, we're neutral at 45.71. I missed that on Bitcoin. I just got to check that real quick. No, we're coming lower and lower and lower, right? Yeah, I didn't miss it. I'm glad I didn't miss it, dude. I hate when I miss stuff. So again, we had that, we're developing this in bearish. Probably while we're stalling and failing to take off here from the 20. Let's see how this keeps on playing out for Litecoin. On that note, we're sitting neutral at 45.71 on the 1-hour RSI. Let's go to Binance. The Binance daily, man, it still managed to come slightly higher before we actually moved down. That's fine. We had bearish divergence, you know, price action to the downside. It's all good there. Moving down, heading for that 20, failing to hit it. So you got $30.16, 17 cents. Didn't do that bad, right? It just dropped about $1.40, $1.30, let's say, right? That's the moving down. Neutral at 59.65. So not a lot going on here on the daily. Let's go to the 4-hour, right? Look, bearish divergence, right? That's what we what I posted yesterday. And I made an orange on purpose, right? That way you wouldn't get confused with whether or not we've discussed this before. So I think that's an orange today. It's stuff that I just charted for y'all yesterday. So look, we did pull back down slightly more towards the end of that 4-hour candle close. This was positive. It still managed to close positive, but it's just almost there, barely there. And that bearish divergence, you know, broke us down. Now we're lower, right? So are we good? Yeah, we're good, man. We're still good. I mean, we're still good, man. We're still golden, man. We're still golden, man. Look at that, man. Look at this, right? Like coming lower, right? Hidden bullish, potential rally, right? Or continuation. We could be going for a move to the 20 here again. We know that. Sitting neutral at 46.78 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had bearish divergence. Oh no, when do we call that? 8 p.m., right? Look, as we were usually the time I do the stream. So I charted by the time I do the stream. I posted all the ideas there on Discord for y'all to look at and determine whether or not you believe it were going to play out or not. It might have been a good exercise for some of you, for me not to make the calls, but you determine what I was like charting. Because if you've been following the stream for a while, so you probably get the idea of what I'm doing without meaning to say it. So if you know that I'm charting stuff on the top, it's just bearish stuff, and if I'm charting stuff on the bottom of the candles, in the bottom of the oscillators, y'all know it's already bullish stuff. So. And you have the key there, like I said, on the Discord that y'all can look at to get the moves and get the idea whether or not it's bullish or bearish what I'm doing. So I'm gonna hold on here on there, so I'm not gonna call it. But on the MACD, we certainly have clear, strong bullish divergence. And look at that, man. We're rallying, heading above that 20, which is good. Let's manage to close there and redo some of that. This move, I mean, it's from yesterday, so I doubt the news on OKEX. Doing some stuff that's failing to have withdrawals. I can't remember the news from today. I looked at them earlier. Bitcoin Jake, you're gonna go to hell, man. Um, I just saw what you posted on Twitter, man. I don't think that's. I don't think a lot of people are gonna take that very good, man. I'm not gonna show it. Anyways, CoinDesk, OK suspended withdrawals as one of the exchange's key holders is cooperating with an investigation. It's now out of touch. So, that was the news from today. So, OKX suspended withdrawals, on that note, if you all know what that means, it just means that people cannot withdraw their money. There's panic going on in the market. Usually when that news like that hit the market, we see drops happening. Now, those news from CoinDesk came 21 hours ago. So, damn, dude, actually, it might have been 21 hours ago. That's 9 p.m. So 21 hours, that would be 22, 23. Yeah, so around 11, right? So maybe this news is legit, right? Maybe that news on OKX is what made us have this drop, this massive drop. Look, just so you know, right? I didn't read this 21 hours ago, but this is the article from CoinDesk 21 hours ago. Breaking, OKX has suspended withdrawals. So, for it to be 24 hours ago, then, more or less we were talking about the same range. So it could have been that we got that drop right at that time, right when the article came out. Could have been towards the end of the 11 p.m. candle. So I don't know what exactly the time that it got posted. So I guess I can open the link real quick here on the side and just check that for y'all. But it could be that, it got posted at 4 UTC. So, 4:38 UTC. So we're at 11:38 p.m. Right? So 4:30 UTC. I just did that conversion, right? 4:30 UTC, right? It's 11:38 p.m. So for me, this article got published at 11 whatever we determined, 11:38, right? So this is the 11 p.m. candle. So yeah, the news also helped this breakdown, right? So we're already expecting that. We're already getting the movements down, right? Like the bearish sign, the long tail here. We did manage to bullishly pull back out, but again, we were expecting the movement down. Just so happened that we got news released and helped with that. So, now we have a reason for why we got that move. Anyways, strong bullish divergence, sitting neutral at 45.02 on the RSI. But we found the reason why this drop, right? I'll also put it here and do this just so we can have it here, right? So. I'll just leave that here. That way I know that this, besides the technicals, we didn't have any use for that moving down on Bitcoin, right? So we'll know now that this will see to that. Imagine being there and you cannot do withdrawals. At least you can still trade, I guess. But, fuck, dude. Yeah. I was saying earlier, right? And usually those news do bring moving down, and that's when I started to see, look, let's see what time it came out. And, yeah, it's just freaking weird coincidence, right? Anyways, Bitcoin is the root of all evil. All shall come to save us. Yeah, find out more Sunday afternoon. Bring your wallet donation expected. I guess you're typing that on a reaction to Bitcoin Jake's image on Twitter. Anyways, on that note, I'm going to look at DBT. Dude, I didn't look at DBT yesterday. I didn't even do the charts for DBT yesterday, man. Dude, DBT pumped. Nice. Hit 6.6 yesterday. Wow, that's awesome, dude. They came down though, but if you guys would have bought here at 40 and then you would have gone 6.6, dude, that would have been a freaking amazing gain, right? Again, I've been telling you guys about this coin for a while. You guys know I'm part of their marketing DAO. Apparently, it's gonna be a for sure thing now. No one's voted against. Tomorrow, the vote is done, and everyone so far has voted yes. So I might become part of their DAO officially. I'm just disclosing this stuff. Again, I'm not pushing the project. I'm not shilling the project. I told you guys this project's gonna be good. Look at that, man, right? 65%, right? To the upside. So nice, man. Right. We would have gone from 4 to 6, man. Right. That would have been a very nice pump, dude. Anyways, let's get some indicators out here for DBT. Dude, I love this project. It does so well, man. I like the moves that it makes on an inter-day basis because it's worth a little money, so it has that advantage that it could go and double in value or 50% your value like that, right? So again, it did trade a lot within those ranges. So even from 4 to 6, which would have been a 50% increase, would have been a very nice increase to get on a day-to-day basis, right? No one's giving you that, so if you haven't done it, you should. You could be trading this project. You shouldn't. I shouldn't say you should because I'm not pushing it. But you could be trading this project for some nice profit. Let's get the RSI out here. Let's get the MACD. Also, snap! I lost the MACD. Yay! Cars are honking. It's weird to see there's traffic in this hour of the night. Anyways, what do we do? Went higher, 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 right? So nothing bullish here, nothing, yeah. From back here we had something bullish, I think we called, I can't remember. So what's going on here? So coming in high, high low, high low, high low, high low, nothing. Why, dude? Why? Trying to see what happened with this. So. Right, hidden bullish rally on that. We didn't create anything bearish, we just moved it back down. Now we moved it here, right, lower. But here as we're coming in lower, right, look at this. This is going to be here, right, look at that, right. Strong bullish divergence starting to develop. So we could be going for another rally here on DBT, to be fair, on the 1 hour chart. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now. On that note, I'm going to leave it here for the 1 hour chart. I want to go to the 4 hour and see what happens. We might get better clues there. Come on, load up, man. By the way, how's y'all's Friday coming along so far? Hope everything's going well for you. So why are we moving down from that move, right? Look at that. Strong bearish divergence. Breaking us down, right? We don't have it here. I'm not going to call it. We do have an island here. From here to here, I could call it shorter term. From here to here. And then from here to here, right? Strong bearish divergence. You know, price action to downside. We're moving down on that. Now, the opposite is happening also, right? Look at that movement there. Look at that movement there, right? Low to high. So creating, I just moved it because I wanted to. I should have just drawn new lines. I do want to draw new lines. I'm going to have to delete them in a second. But creating that hidden bullish, right? So that's why we're stalling here at 5-1, which is a good value for DBT so far. It's a good entry point. 4 is a better entry point, but, you know, 5 is good as well. So on that note, let's go to the daily here. Going so well. Made more tonight. Letting winners run. Right. What do you win with, Steve? Let me know. I'm not sure what you won with besides the other altcoin that you asked me that's named like Elon Musk's son. Anyways, we had the bullish divergence. We knew that. We've been talking about this bullish divergence for a while now, right? So from here to here, right? And from here to here. And from here to here, short term. We knew this was gonna play. It's coming into play. Starting to go high, right? High to low, high to low, high to low, positive, less positive still. So we're still good, nothing bearish right now. We can still go on new runs here on DBT. We've been calling this for a while, dude, since they were like back here, right? So could have gone in plenty of times at 4 and taken that nice rally at 6. Made 50%, 50% of your money back real quick. On that note, the other coins that got requested, XLM, first one. Steve is up 690% on Axia 3. That's awesome. Excellent! It's exploding, dude. It's not about to explode. It's exploding already. Alright, excellent. What's it doing, man? Let's check it out here. For some reason I have fibs here. I'm not sure when we looked at this last. Apparently a while back, because I'm looking at this, and this was probably high we called. We're going for that 161.8% retrace, that's fine. Let me see if I have another excellent chart. I do. Last time I looked at this was on July 15th. Here. Nope. And, nope. So we'll go with this one. I'm not going to call stuff from back here. I want to focus on the shorter term. Higher, so yeah, strong bullish divergence. Section to the upside, it went high. Rejected, fell to drop, then we burst through there. Find support here and taking a bounce. That's great, man. Now on that bounce, we're going higher. We're coming slightly lower here, but still starting to build this new positive momentum islands here, right? This after the decrease in positive momentum that we're getting. We don't have these against the RSI, just here against the MACD, and it is strong bearish divergence that we're starting to develop. So this could get we could get rid of this very quickly by having a small pump and coming up here. So again, it's still up in the air, but let's go to the 4 hour and see what we got there, right? Higher, higher, higher. So nothing bearish here. From here to here, we did create something bearish shorter term. From here to here. I think that bearish divergence section to the downside, we move down on that. Now, did we create something bullish? Yeah, hidden bullish. That's about it, though. Right, from here to here. From here to here. From here to here. Actually, to the upside, taking that nice rally. Again, going too quickly for my taste. Could be getting pullback, sitting at 0.8 cents right now. Sorry, at 8 cents. $0.08, right? 8 cents. Going higher, higher, and lower here on the RSI still. So again, look at this, right? So I'll just go from back here, I guess, here to here. Look at this move, right? From being overbought to just bought. So then bought at 69.23. Again, strong bearish divergence developing. Watch out for this. If this pumps higher, right? This is you're gonna get rid of this against the RSI, and you'll be fine. But right now, this is what we have. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour high, higher, high, positive, positive, right? Everything's good here except short term. When I say short term, I'm going from here to here. The 1 hour chart, right? Look at that. Look at that, man. Look at that. Boom. Strong bearish divergence. Potential action to the downside. Again, when we're going up too fast, we haven't consolidated. This usually tends to come with crashes, so just watch out for that. We did create, I did get some hidden bullish, 89, 94, yeah, we did. Let's from here, coming higher. Negative, more negative, right? On the other side, we don't have it, that's fine. Coming lower, lower. 105, 80 something, yeah. Hit some strong bullish from here to here. So we had strong bullish, we tried to rally, dropped, right? Created that hidden bullish and taking that rally on that. That's awesome, dude. Right now, creating strong bearish, watch out for that. Could be getting a moving down here. We haven't consolidated. Remember, we're just going exponential. So be careful. It's a good project. My XLM bags should be doing okay right now, I guess. The only bag of XLM I have is the stuff that I got on free. So if y'all send me ever some XLM, thank you. That's the only thing I hold on XLM, right? I don't actively buy XLM. I'm not sure at what price I got the other XLM that I got on free, but they all should be profitable right now, I think. Try to see if I can get this to open. It's not loading. I want to see how much it was worth. Show me your worth. Whips as well. Trying to access something here, guys, by the way. Just give me one quick second. There we go. Nah, it's still lower than I should be. I think I gotten like 20 bucks worth, and right now it's worth like 15 bucks. So yeah, still not there. Waiting for it to do something. What is nice though, it's my honey pot. So if you guys know, I told you guys about honey on the Discord once, and I talked about it here once someone requested it. And this is honey. I have on my faucet. Again, this is money I got free from art that I sold. Well, they didn't free. Someone bought art, and that's why I got it. So that's why I got 0.06, right? And right now, honey was worth 1,200. So if y'all look at that, I got $72 worth of honey, and I just started claiming about 2 weeks ago, maybe, right, or maybe less. So I'm doing okay with honey here so far. Switch that to my main wallet, and that's fine. So honey's good. I need to sell it though, right? Boom. Steve said boom. Why boom, Steve? Did something happen? Excellent. Let's go check out Yuma. Right, so I'm gonna, after XCF, dude, I'm not gonna do any more requests tonight. I'm actually not even gonna do the rest of this stuff. Like, you know, stocks and stuff. I'll just look at stocks and gold and silver and the rest on Monday. Let's do Yuma. Headache's starting to come back in. I need to take something again. So, I think it's just I've been like overexposed to like the computer and lights. So, probably why my head's starting to hurt again. Let's go look at Yuma. Again, look. Let's look at Yuma on the daily first. It's Friday night. I'm getting free money. Yeah, dude, I'm getting free money. Did someone donate or something? No. I'm not sure if someone donated things. I'm not sure if someone donated. I was talking about the money on honey, dude. Okay, so Yuma on the daily, we don't have a lot. So I'm gonna move on to shorter time scales. I'll go to the 4 hour. Get whiskey and use the blue light filter on Windows. Yeah, dude, I need to start doing that. Whiskey. Dude, yeah. Not right now though. I'm gonna take something up. Yeah. It's been a really heavy work week, right? So it's just like yesterday I was feeling, today it's starting to feel the same. Anyways, bullish divergence, action to the outside. That's what we're seeing right now. Strong bullish divergence. Let's see if we're gonna get that coming in. We don't have it against the RSI. Sitting sold at 39.65 on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. Come on. Take this by parts, right? Don't have it here. We're just going from back here. Still works, right? So if you imagine that's a straight line from there to there, or from there to there, right? That's strong bullish divergence. We're developing against the MACD, the RSI. We're getting that rally, hitting that 20 and rejecting right now. No, we want to see. We want to get above the 20. Let's see what happens here. If we reject, we could be going lower again. That wouldn't be good for Yuma. But if we manage to get above that area, we could be doing a retrace. Sitting at $7.76, we could be doing a retrace, maybe to try to get above the $9.09 area, which is where we had a fib. That's the only thing I have to look forward to right now on Yuma. Again, not looking too hot right now, right? Still looks like most of this trend has been downsloping since October the 9th. So on that note, that's it for Yuma. Let's go to Cardano. Right, Cardano on the daily. Bearish divergence. We rejected the 3-1, the 382. Heading for that 50% and then probably head for that 618. If we still manage to retrace here. We have hit the 20, also try to reject lower areas of value, which that's fine. We're trying to find support there. Low, higher, low, potentially higher, low, high, higher, high. It's looking good, right? It looks like an uptrend. So I can complain about that right now. Neutral at 55.96 on their side again. Let's put some channels out there so we know we talked about a potential uptrend. So we're here. Parallel channel. Burn, man. Actually, dude, snap. Well, I'm gonna try to leave it as this right now, but it's starting to look more like a rising wedge. I just don't have another ADA chart, but what I'm talking about is a rising wedge. Just go like that, right? Like the bottom line and then the top line, right? So just extend that. But again, it looks like a sort of an uptrend. If it's a rising wedge, we're gonna break it to the downside. Let's wait and see, right? So yeah, 70% of my income gets pumped into Cardano. Yeah, you're either going to be rich or annoyed. That's a lot of your income going into Cardano, man. I hope you're well diversified into other stuff as well. I do like Cardano. I need to hold some Cardano, dude. I haven't bought any. Should I just wrote myself a note here that says buy. Buy, motherfucker, buy. Let's go check out Link. Sorry, no, this Cardano on the daily. What? I haven't looked at the shorter times. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look, yesterday, right? I was looking for something. I didn't find anything yesterday because we were like here. We did manage to come lower and then create some strong bullish divergence in that, which is good, right? So that if I didn't post an hour, right, like the daily yesterday, I didn't post anything for the daily. It's because we weren't doing anything there, right? If I didn't post anything in shorter time scales, do anything there. Again, we don't have anything against the RSI. Sitting neutral at 48.52. Strong bullish divergence, potential rally, maybe for that 20. That 20 sitting at 10 cents, 10.64 cents. On the 1 hour, we're above the 20, which is good. We had the bearish divergence, right? Look, I sent that out yesterday, probably. So by the looks of it, it's from Fresh-ish, I guess, right? So I'm not sure. Maybe. I'm not sure what I had this matched against. Probably moving up here. Maybe I didn't even match it yesterday. I was tired. Something like that. Moving down. We moved down on that. That's okay. Boom. Right. So we're lower. Now, low, lower, low, right. Negative, less negative. That's okay. That works for us as well. So from here to here. We can go from here to here, right. And then here we don't have it against the RSI, but strong bullish. Trying to get it higher. Also, you know, the channel that I just traced, of course, is acting as that support there. So we managed to get above the 20, and we'll see what we get there. In a year, either I'm going to be very heavy into crypto. I won't get wrecked if it's zero, but it'll set you back. Yeah. Angry. What is this here? 21725. So definitely creating some hidden bearish right now, right? For potential stalling or something happening at this area. So just watch out for that. It's starting to happen. On that note, that's it for Cardano. Let's go check out Link. Link at $10.60, man. Move down, hit that 20, taking a bounce. That's fine. Let's go here on the daily. Had the bullish divergence. Went here, came down to the other support. Went higher, right? Broke down. Still trying to get back above the 50%. That's fine. We've hit near the 20, and we're trying to rally. I don't see a lot happening here, right? High to low, high to low, high to low, right? Low to high, low to high, low to high. Everything's fine. Neutral at 51.14. Let's go to the 4 hour. I didn't find anything yesterday, so I was looking through here. The only thing I'm finding right now today, man, of all things, right? Look at the oh snap! What line do we have there, man? Sorry, 1 second. There we go. 236. Yeah, 236, dude. All right, look, we're finding a support there, and we're creating strong bullish divergence for potential price action. The upside, we don't have it against the RSI. Sitting neutral at 46.93. Trying to go higher. We rejected the 20, came back down to this area, trying to find support, rejecting lower prices. We might start to get squeezed here until we either explode or do something, but right now we do have the strong bullish. Maybe wait for potential action to the upside to happen. Steve S doesn't trust the dollar, man, and gold is just blay long term. Yeah, I agree. Neutral, 47.11 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1 hour. Again, we're waiting for a movement up here. We didn't get it. We talked about that already, so I'm gonna get rid of this stuff. I'm coming lower every time, right? So even from here to here. Still lower, but spoolish divergence against the MACD, getting that going slightly higher. That's fine. So I'm not gonna call anything bearish here, man. Trying to call it. Let's see here, 53.75, 53.96, slightly higher, and this is technically slightly lower, I guess. Let's see where do we open here. 1084, 1083, slightly less. I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna call it here, although we do have something bearish. I'm just gonna highlight it like that. And then coming in like this, right? So if this is just going sideways, which is like a cent difference, we're having bearish divergence there. If you don't want to consider that going higher, then it's technically coming in slightly lower, and then you would anchor from here to here, right? Going slightly higher here on your RSI, and creating a hidden bearish divergence instead of medium bearish divergence. You know, whatever you choose works. It's just divergence there. We have divergence there. Right, so there we go. Let's go sideways here. Now this is 0.73, which is slightly less, right? Are we going higher? Yep, we are. Right on, dude. That works, right? Coming in lower here. We're definitely going slightly higher here, and also higher over here, right? So we're creating that hidden bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. Moving down, trying to hold on to this area and try to see if we can go higher. Fell into drop below 20, which is good, right? You were bullishly trying to hold on to 20. We might really break down from this area, though. That's it for Link. Steve, can you send me the chart for Axia 3, dude? I can't remember where you got it from. If you can put it in the Discord, I'll check it out. I don't think I could do a lot of stuff with that chart, though. I think we had it in the Discord recently, so I'm gonna check it out there, dude. I'll try to find it. I think it's this one. This is it, dude. I actually have 3 and I'm done. I cannot search for indicators. Let's see, MACD. RSI, there we go. I don't think this one allowed me to. There we go. Columns, green. There we go. Awesome, dude. Right, coming higher. Going higher and going higher. So nothing here. Oh, that's a 15-minute chart. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Dude, it went insanely up, right? So going higher, and oh snap, we're lower. Haha, we're starting to create bearish divergence here, man. Oh, your trip of happiness might start to come to an end, bro. Starting to create bearish divergence against the RSI. Or we're bought as well with bearish divergence, so that could mean that there is a movement coming into the downside, Steve. Be careful, man. All right. That's all I'm going to say. This is a 1-hour chart now. That's the only thing I'm seeing right now. Alright, so I'm going to go to the 4-hour and see what we got there. Not a lot of data here. Going higher and going higher, right? So again, on the longer time scale, we're fine. Fine for now. This 81, this like 83, yeah, 83.50, right? So that's it. And then the daily, there's nothing. So not a lot of stuff I can use here for charting. That's why I don't like this DeFi projects. They come in real quick. They just go to the moon, and then you just like start seeing major crashes. So a lot of people could be getting in here saying, "Look, man, it's gone up so much." They're just gonna end up getting wrecked by going in there. Very nice pump yesterday, 149, then 34. Let's measure from down here to where it's at right now. What does it say? I can't see. There's something there. I'll have to measure from back here then. Right here. Dude, if you would have gotten in here on opening day and you would have bought the lowest, you would have gotten 8,819% returns. That's insane, dude. Again, huge impulses tend to come with huge pullbacks, so be careful with that. Yeah, that's gonna be it for tonight, man. Thank you guys for being here again. This is Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight. Sorry about not being 100% those last couple days. Tonight I'm just not feeling too well still. So I just went to crypto real quick, chat with y'all for a little bit. Come in here, give some continuity to the show, and sitting pretty. Yeah, dude. Tomorrow, stream might start a little bit later than usual. My kid has a birthday party. We have to be there at 4 p.m. So I hope I'm back here by 9. Or, 9 p.m. If not, I'll try to start by 10. It's gonna depend on what time I get in. But, I gotta get some rest for that as well, dude. So, thank y'all for being here. If you like what we do, you know what to do, right? So, again, it's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. Dude, I'm starting to get lost in the week. Thank y'all for being here. I'll catch you tomorrow, guys.